so good outside. I'm so excited. Alright guys, so my daughter wouldn't let me come to this cafe without getting her something. And she loves fruit. And I've been wanting to try these as well. So these are the fruit tarts. The other day she asked me for candied fruits. So I thought that I would get these because the fruits are candied. So hopefully she likes that. I'll give it to her when she gets home from school. Alright, I've made it back home. I'm worn out, but I said I would go out more. But I'm back home. I got me some, well, some Korean fried chicken. I got the honey garlic and the spicy galbi. So let's see how it looks. So here they are. Let's see. So this is the spicy galbi. And I think I got this one in boneless. And then this one is the honey garlic. And it's bone in because my husband likes bone in. So he's not here. He's running errands. So I am about to eat because I'm hungry. So let's try the spicy galbi. So here's one of the pieces of chicken. Mmm. Mmm. All right, now for the honey garlic. Let's see. Uh-oh. spicy galbi. I like the spicy galbi more. They have regular galbi, but I like the spicy one. The honey garlic is good, but I guess there's not enough honey garlic on it. So maybe I would get these again and ask them to put extra honey garlic. There's just so much going on today. I don't know what to do with myself. Anyways, I just had a package delivered. I have been seeing this site called Temu. I order a lot off of AliExpress, and I've ordered off some other sites. But anyway, I decided to order off of Temu. And my package is here, and it's early. I'm excited. Let's see. Here it is. Ta-da! Okay, let's take it in the house. After I eat my chicken, maybe I'll do an unboxing. I just know I have to get it open and out of the way before my son comes home, because he thinks that anytime a box is delivered, that it's for him, and we're working on that. Anyways, he's gonna think it's for him, then he's gonna go off the deep end, but I did get him something. I've had a lot of sugar. My heart rate's fast. I need to drink some water, so I'm gonna go sit down, settle in. My lunch break is ending in 3 minutes. I'm gonna go sit down because I've been doing too much and I feel crazy. Get my laptop out.